Hey guys, this is payphone. This is for you, Sarah. I hope you enjoy. I, I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where has the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that we wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted our nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we call it love. But even that sunset's in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where has the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more stupid love song, I'll be sad.